Hey everyone, today, we're diving into some mind-blowing science experiments that you can try at home. We're talking classic erupting volcanoes, soda explosions that'll blow your mind, and even turning ordinary milk into something you won't believe. We're going to break down the science behind each experiment, step by step, so you can impress your friends and family with your newfound knowledge. And the best part, you probably already have most of these materials just lying around the house. So grab your lab coats, put on your safety goggles, just kidding. Well, safety first. And let's get started. Alright, first up, let's build ourselves a freaking volcano. Don't worry, you won't need a trip to Hawaii for this. Grab some old newspaper, masking tape, and an empty plastic bottle. We're going to use these to form the cone shape of our volcano. Now for the lava, mix together some baking soda, dish soap, red food coloring, because lava has to be red, right? And just a splash of water. Pour this magical concoction into your volcano's bottle opening. Here comes the eruption. Carefully pour some vinegar into the bottle, stand back, and watch your volcano come to life. That foamy explosion is a chemical reaction between the baking soda and vinegar, creating carbon dioxide gas, just like a real volcano. You guys ready for some serious soda-powered science? This one is a classic for a reason. Grab yourself a bottle of Diet Coke. Trust me, diet works best. And a roll of Mentos. Now here's the key. We need to drop all those Mentos into the Coke at the same time to unleash the geyser. The easiest way to do this is to create a little paper funnel or use a tube to channel those Mentos straight down into the bottle. Ready for the blast off? Drop those Mentos, run like crazy, and get ready for an epic eruption of soda. That, my friends, is the power of nucleation. The surface of the Mentos provides tons of tiny sites for the carbon dioxide bubbles in the soda to form, creating one massive, awesome geyser. Let's switch gears and make something colorful. We're going to create a density tower, also known as a rainbow in a glass. This is a great way to learn about how different liquids have different densities. Grab 4 different liquids with varying thickness. Some good options are honey, corn syrup, dish soap, and water. Now carefully layer them in your glass, starting with the densest liquid at the bottom, that's the honey. Slowly pour each liquid into the center of the glass, letting it settle on top of the previous layer. You can use a spoon to help guide the liquids and prevent them from mixing too much. Boom! You've got yourself a rainbow in a glass. Each layer stays separate because of its unique density, creating this awesome visual effect. This next experiment sounds crazy, but trust me on this one. We're going to turn ordinary milk into plastic. Yep, you heard that right. Grab a cup of milk, some white vinegar, and a strainer. Heat up the milk in a saucepan until it's just about to boil. Now carefully stir in some vinegar and watch what happens. The milk will start to separate into chunky curds in watery way. That's the vinegar working its magic, separating the proteins in the milk. Strain the mixture through your strainer to separate the curds. Now squeeze those curds together, mold them into any shape you want, and let them dry for a few days. You'll be left with a hard plastic-like material. That's casein plastic, my friends, and it's surprisingly durable. Alright, last but not least, let's get electric. We're going to harness the power of static electricity with this fun experiment. All you need is a balloon and your hair, or a fuzzy sweater if you're feeling fancy. Blow up your balloon and give it a good rub on your head. We're talking serious friction here, people. This creates static electricity, which is basically a buildup of electrical charges on the surface of the balloon. Now hold the balloon near small objects like pieces of paper, salt, or even your hair. Watch as those objects magically jump towards the balloon. That's the static electricity at work, attracting those objects like a mini magnet. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys had a blast exploring the world of science with me today. Remember, these are just a few of the countless amazing experiments you can try at home. So keep that curiosity burning, keep experimenting, and never stop learning. Who knows what incredible discoveries you'll make. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome science experiments. See you next time.